Last few options for filtering. So here you have a toggle button to display the inactive effects or effects that are not present here. So you have X4, X5, which is not present, and that makes sense because we have specified that we only want to look at models that do not have this term. You can make that hidden. And then if you want to see the column for the intercept, you can see that too. You see that the intercept column is always statistically significant. You can also see its coefficient value across models and so on. And then finally you have graphical filtering. Now, if I click on that, you see that all your models that are displayed in the raster plot and in the plots after that, they all have a certain characterizations for different metrics. Now, you see that all the terms that are displayed range from size 6 to size 19. And then they all have the root mean squared error ranging from 4.5 to 5.87, an R-square adjusted value from 0.91 to 0.86, the corrected Ikaike information criterion value, and that's the range for that. And then you have the press statistic value on the last axis. And here it's a display or a plot that tells you the range of these values for different models, but it also allows you to filter models according to these criteria. So you can specify that, okay, I want to only look at models ranging from size 6 to size 13. And then it will filter out the models in the back as well for the other charts. And now it shows that, okay, for these models, these lines are still highlighted in green or blue. And they also have different values for the R-square adjusted and the other metrics. Now you can further place filters by saying, okay, I want to only look at models that have the best R-square value. And again, the filtering works in the background. This raster plots gets adapted, and then you have only a subset of models to look at. And that's how you play with this kind of parallel coordinate plot to select only a subset of interesting models. And in this case, I've filtered down to only 6 different models by specifying all the different criteria in my filtering options.